So you're thinking about remodeling or adding space to your home, but you've got a busy life and finding a contractor you can trust feels overwhelming. Endless Google searches, asking friends, colleagues, Facebook, do phone books still exist? No. Where do you start? It's hard to find an honest contractor at a reasonable price. And if you pick the wrong one, you could end up in a renovation nightmare that's way over budget, constantly delayed, or riddled with poor quality work. You're right to be worried. In a recent survey, over 50% of homeowners reported having a negative experience with their contractor. Now, there's a better way to find an honest contractor. Introducing GreatBuildz, a free service that connects you with several reliable, pre-screened local contractors personally selected for your project. Get free estimates and pick your favorite contractor, knowing that all GreatBuildz pros have passed a rigorous screening process and abide by our strict code of conduct. And once you start construction, we'll be there to support you throughout your project to help ensure everything goes smoothly. Our friendly staff is just one phone call away. With GreatBuildz, you'll find a great contractor, have a stress-free renovation, and enjoy your beautiful new space.